Welcome to hybrids.co.nz. In this video, we show you our development, Japanese to English conversion of the information screen in Toyota Tank. Toyota Tank is also known as Toyota Roomy, Daihatsu Thor, and Subaru Justy. Opposite to many other Toyota vehicle design, where the information screen is embedded into the instrument cluster, Toyota Tank has the information screen located outside of the speedometer and above navigation unit. All menus and warning messages in Japanese imported Toyota Tank info screen were in Japanese, and there were no user-accessible way to change them to English. We have identified few hundred Japanese phrases and translated them to English. Our video shows various menus and warnings before and after conversion to English. Menus have multiple layers, and it is not that easy to navigate through those when they are in foreign language. See for yourself. After conversion, info screen, notifications, and various menus are displayed in English. Apart from normal driving conditions, any warning messages will now pop up in English. This is not a DIY procedure. You need to show up in person or courier your info screen to us in Auckland, New Zealand. We could also sell converted units. We provide our service New Zealand-wide to Australia, UK, Europe, and Japan. Call us on WhatsApp or mobile for quotes and bookings. Thank you for watching.